how to fix lines on Android screen. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So the first thing and the main thing that this could actually mean is that typically there can be some random lines going around on a particular device. So what this basically means is that a particular phone is either having a hardware issue or some glitches or something like that. So the first thing that I would recommend doing here is just go through your power button, make a long press and tap on reboot and reboot your phone. So if there's random lines that are kind of going through, hold on the buttons and then you can just restart your phone over here. Now even after restarting, if that does not fix the issue, what you can simply do is you can simply make a long press on the power button again and tap on power off and again turn off the device. After a few seconds, you can try to turn it on again. Next, what you can do is, this might be a hardware problem, so you can just take it to any of your mobile centers, service centers nearby and get it fixed. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.